blood pressure. Can help to, you know what I mean, balance it off a little bit. You know what I mean? So a lot of people doesn't even know that. Yep, bless up yourself, Esther Delicious. A lot of people who doesn't even know that this do have a lot of health benefit, and it can help you in many ways. All right, good vibes. All right, we're going to be doing some cooking this evening, and it's going to be fun. So I'm going to start off with some hot water. Here's it. Big up yourself, man. Let's start it off with some hot water. And I'm going to show you what you can also do. Alright. And these are the best thing you could ever do with the sweet potato, is remove the skin. And yeah, do not cook it with salt or sugar or butter or oil. It's even good if you can either roast it or bake it. It doesn't matter, boil it, which one makes you happy, but it's got a lot of benefit, guys. All right. Yeah, so we're going to be doing some sweet potato this evening, and it's gonna be fun. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a little bit of fun. Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit of fun. Have it in your diet, eat it, use it, drink it, do everything what you want to do with it. It is very, very good. All right, to use in your diet, a sweet potato. So instead of you're gonna have rice sometime, this is what you can have. Sweet potato. Yeah. So if you're a person who are, you know what I mean, you don't have to have high blood pressure to eat it. You still can also have it same way. Doesn't matter. All right. Lovely. See, the sweet potato is better than the normal white potato. Just to let you guys know that. So just boiling off a few of them, you know what I mean? Just like that. You don't need to add anything to it to make it look nice and flavor. You just want to just leave it natural as it is. Oh, what on the first? Where's my lid? Is someone come in the kitchen and take my lid? Alright, oh no, I must hit this. Yeah. Alright, so this is it. We're gonna cook this right here. And this can cover it for here in the meantime. In the meantime, let's put on this one. We're gonna make some vegetables to go with the sweet potatoes. Meat-free Monday, guys. Alright, meat-free Monday. No time to muck about. Meat-free Monday, alright? Yeah, so yeah, this evening I was doing even some more research on it, and even nutmeg egg have a little health benefit of helping you with your high blood pressure at home. High blood pressure is one of the biggest things in the world. A lot of people might doesn't know that, but yes, it is one of the biggest things right now worldwide. A lot of people have been talking about it, and a lot of people have been really stressed over it. Because, yeah, it is good to know that there are few bits and pieces are there to help you at home. All right. So I'm gonna show you, if you're at home right now and you say to yourself, say, I'd love to make myself some food. I have high blood pressure and you know what I mean, I've been stressed out, but I would encourage you, try not to stress yourself. And come on, woman, what's going on? Pick up yourself. Esther Delicious ears is in. I will big up every one of you guys who take the time and support Chef Ricardo Cooking show this evening. We appreciate every one of you guys. Alright. Yeah, so we got some tomato we're gonna be using inside of it. Now I'm gonna say something, guys. As I mentioned yesterday, how much tomato is good for you. That says some thing the oil in there is some avocado oil. Let's put a little bit of olive oil in the front pan. All right. Also, and when oil get hot, it spread more. Just remember that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook off some tomato. So we're using at least 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Got some carrots. I don't know why I have so much oil in the pot, guys. I don't know what happened. Honestly, I don't know what happened. Yeah, so right in the description box, I got a few health benefit of the sweet potato. You can also read it yourself. Yeah, if you like to. Excellent. Yeah, man. Oh yes, so that looking good. Look at that. That looking amazing. That looking amazing with the tomato, and put some red onion. That even make it more beautiful. That's a little bit too much oil, but that's good still. That's all right. It's good oil still. But I'm gonna like cook with a lot of oil. Yeah, I don't like to cook with a lot of oil, but still good. That is it. Peppers, you know what I mean? Can't go wrong with peppers, guys. Color food. Yeah, can't go wrong with it. Spring onion, your favorite. That is amazing. Cook out the tomato into it, and that's what we need. That is good, guys. 100% effective. Right. Thyme, yeah man, and some rosemary. All right. We're gonna get some garlic. Some fresh garlic. Nice. Look at that. Excellent. Fold that inside of it and make it, you know what I mean, make it get some flavor from the rosemary and the thyme. That smells amazing. Now let's put a little bit of paprika. Little bit of Cajun season. That's finished. Good vibes. Alright, a little bit of paprika. Pinch of black pepper. Lovely. I'm gonna put some fennel seeds. Just a few grains. Little bit of giant rosemary. I think we have some fresh one in there. Little bit of basil. Little bit of cumin seeds. And we are in there with it. You have to cook this kind of way. If you got these kind of seeds, why not use them? Yeah, man. We got cloves. Let's put a few in it. You know what is this? Only Christmas people use this, but we use them right straight through the years. Sense. Spice. Very nice. Give your pot flavor and taste also. Give it a little bit of a stir. You get that. You know? Easy tomato. Excellent. So I wash off these with some baking soda, spinach. You know what I mean? Wash them off nicely. Put them in the pot. You want iron? Yeah, man. This is it right here. That is what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. So that's what I'm talking about. Right, that's all. Spinach. Guys, I can't go wrong with this. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can't go wrong with this. Alright. I did have some leftover, I call it coconut, avocado oil. Leftover, I just used it up a while ago. I just emptied the tin. And you can use olive oil. I like to cook olive oil with tomato. So I like to cook it with the tomato, because cooking down olive oil and tomato, you get some health benefit from it. So that's what I like to do. But don't use too much oil. It's better to use light spray oil. I just find my light spray oil. I got this one I normally use, light spray oil. That's the best one to use at home. No salt, no sugar, no butter. You just keep it real, all right? Yeah, man. The potato is the potato is one of the main key right here. And if you're going to be using season, try and get season which doesn't have any ASMG in it and salt and all them thing there, and this whole heap of preservative. Try and look at the seasoning what you are using. All right, but some people, they still have a little bit of, you know what I mean? Yeah. So try and use a lot of natural seasoning as much as you can in your diet. Because spinach doesn't take long to cook, guys. Spinach is very easy to cook. Yeah, it's not taking too long to cook. Right there, as you can see it for yourself. Still looking good. And yeah, it's coming out really nice. Anyway, remember to get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. This one is a hard cover, and also we got the soft cover, so it's up to you which one you like to get. Go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of the brand new book. All right, there's a big massive sale right now. Big sale. Sale where you never expect. And it at this minute talking to you right now on Amazon. Go over, get yourself a copy and support the progress. Secondly, t-shirt From Poverty to Purpose. Link is in the below the video. You can get yourself a t-shirt for Christmas. All right. But some doctor will ask if you eat a lot of spice and all them thing there. Well, just don't try and avoid this whole heap of ASMG season. All right. Because most of them seasoning is salt and sugar. So you need to cut them out. Try and use a lot of natural herbs as much as you can. Unless you're gonna get season where it doesn't got any salt or sugar in it, then you know what I mean, because a lot of people make those kind of season. No salt, no sugar. So I only used one little spice in it. It was just a little bit of Cajun season, and that was it. So my advice, if you want to use, try and use a lot of natural season. That's the best thing to do. Natural season, whole heap of thyme, rosemary, and all them thing there. Coriander, can't go wrong. Flavor up the pot with a lot of spices. Natural seasoning. So I only just use a little bit of paprika and, you know what I mean, little bit of that Cajun season where, because I don't really have high blood pressure or anything like that, but if you have high blood pressure, try and avoid not to use the whole heap of powder season. So people who have high blood pressure, is them cause it on themselves. That's what the doctor need to tell people, but the doctor them doesn't want to tell you no, guys. Some of the doctor they will tell you that is you cause it on yourself, because you need to empty your cupboard. You see, in your cupboard in your kitchen, that's where everything has started from. All right. So 99.9% people in this world today, if you go into their cupboard, you will see they have all-purpose chicken season, mixed spice, chicken season, mixed spice, all-purpose chicken season, black pepper, coriander, this, that, blah, blah, all kind of seasoning. Cock soup flavor, this a color, this a super, this a one, that one, that one. Chuck them out. That's what I did with mine. I chuck out everything. And I start to go a lot more naturally. All right? So everything has started from your house, in your kitchen. But the doctor doesn't want to tell you those things. You understand? I know a whole lot of people right now still on medication, but they choose. They don't wanna chuck certain things and try to eat healthy and look after themselves. They choose to do it. And they're gonna say, oh, you can do every little thing in a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Red flag. Chuck out everything out of your cupboard and start to look after your health. You got people that on medication for 30, 40 years. And they don't want to come off of medication. And they have the same season, all-purpose chicken season. You understand? Yeah, so what you need to do, chuck out your season and get some natural organic season. It was high. Yeah, so what you want to do, if you have high blood pressure, chuck out the season out of your kitchen. The first thing what you need to do, get rid of the bread, the butter, the flour, everything. And once you get rid of those things, let's turn off the cooker now. Then, yeah, because I see a lot of people have high blood pressure and they still take medication. And they still eat rice. And they still have chicken season, all-purpose season, all different kind of powder season in the kitchen. And then what they don't understand that is the season is causing it. And the rice and lots of things that they have in the cupboard is causing the high blood pressure. And the high blood pressure, I say, yes, I'm happy. You still have those things with me. Chuck out them the way you have in your cupboard. Restock your cupboard. All right? Restock your cupboard and get some healthy stuff. Good vibes. That hot. Yeah, man. This. All right. So what we're going to do? Yeah, man. We're going to take a little bit of the. Yeah, man. Chuck out everything from the cupboard, guys. Heat is causing it. Enough people doesn't know that. Try not to use vegetable oil. All right, and with the next oil name again, a lot of people like to use this one. A lot of people use this one also. Coconut oil. Chuck out that one. All right. Yeah, man. When you come in my cupboard, I'll be a natural season, you're going to find. One day I'm going to show them the cupboard, guys. Be a natural season. Only because sometimes I just use a little bit of Cajun season because it got fennel seeds in it, it got coriander seeds, it got a few things in it, you know what I mean? So, chuck out the things out of your house and start new brand. Good vibes. Alright? So, all of the people them who have still have them things in their house and I want to show them where, and them I cause it. Right now the doctor them not telling you that, you know. Yeah. Yes, people, the doctor them not gonna say to you, it's time for you to chuck away your seasoning out of your cupboard. You think they're gonna tell you that? And the pharmacy them there? No. Come on, guys. You know, should I know that, man? Time for you to get wise up. So this is a good food right here. Where I'm talking about, yeah. Where you guys must eat on a regular basis. All right, look at this. Look at that. That's you know what is that? Any one of you guys know what is this? Some people don't go use them the only time Christmas time or year time, you know. Yeah, man, that is very good in your diet. Look at this, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, they're not gonna tell them to say, listen, you guys need to throw away certain things out of your house. They're not gonna tell them that. Because, you know what I mean? Money have to make. The people of the easy, you know. Yeah, man. Ah, come on, Chef Ricardo, man. What's going on here? You know what I mean? Yeah, money have to make, beautiful people. So, listen what Chef Ricardo been telling them. Just like when I listen to the doctor, and you need to listen again, because you're never too old to learn. Yeah. Yeah, man, you're never too old to learn. So, right here, this is what's going on right here so at the moment. Look at that. That is it, right there. So, you do not need no whole heap of. So all of the people them who cook rice yesterday, and roast chicken and roast lamb and roast beef and brown stew chicken and leave over rice and peas, they're gonna eat rice and peas today. Red flag, straight red flag. Because you eat rice yesterday and then they're gonna eat rice today again. You're gonna say, boy, Chef Ricardo, boy, I don't have any choice. I've been working very hard. Yeah, you're working very hard, but if you don't look after yourself, someone else is gonna be in a chair. I saw it going up. It's the other way around. You're looking at the other way around, but you need to look on it the other way around. What about if I don't look after myself? What's gonna happen? You have to look after yourself. So you eat rice yesterday, and then you eat rice today again. Red flag, straight red flag. So basically, if you eat rice yesterday, then you say to yourself, you know what, I'm not going to eat the rice and no chicken and no meat today. I'm going to try and eat some vegetable. Because some people, when they're eating down the food, they don't have a lot of vegetables on the plate. Little bit of vegetables, little bit of salad, and a little bit of coleslaw, full of whole heap of high cholesterol, and a little bit of potato salad, and you know what I mean, on the plate, because your friend come over and I say, your food have to look nice. You can't show off with your health, because money can't buy health. You have to look after your health. You know what I mean? Health come first. Anyway, no stress, no nothing. It's just you have to look after yourself. And my advice to many people who are saying, Chef Ricardo, what do you have for high blood pressure? You need to check out your seasoning you have in your cupboard. And you need to tell your husband, like, listen, and you need to start cook healthy. You need to tell your wife, you need to start cook healthy, because we have to look after ourselves at home in the kitchen. All right? Your wife gonna say, well, I've been working hard. Your husband gonna say, yes, you're working hard. Yeah, but your health come first. Just remember, your health come first. When you go to the doctor them in the morning time, or you see that queue out there, who you see line up in the queue? Look good on London Road in the queue. Who you see out there? Dear black people, line up in the queue, long queue, go all the way down to the stoplight. I see it the other day. Who? We black people in the queue. When you go there, you ask question, 95% we have high blood pressure, high cholesterol level. I went to the doctor the other day, I was in and I was asking quite a few questions. Just nosy. Because I like to ask questions. And 15% out of the whole, about 15 or 20 people in there, high blood pressure. Trust me. Lots of African, lots of Jamaican was there. Follow my friend them go over there. And it's a serious thing, guys. Lots of people doesn't take it serious. A lot of people say, oh, it's part of life. No, it's not a part of life. Look after yourself. Then they're going to put problem on the kids them when they need to grow up and live them life. We pressure kids them and, you know what I mean, the grandkids them. You know what I mean? Look after yourself. You know what I mean? Anyway, a good vibes. Anyway, the book is available on Amazon. Get yourself a copy of the book and support the progress. Or go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. The t-shirt them From Poverty to Purpose is ready right now in the description right down there. Down below in the video, click down right down there, you see the t-shirt them. Get yourself a t-shirt for this Christmas and wear it and feel proud of yourself. All right? EM, EM, it's true that the doctor tell me high cholesterol level and high blood pressure. Yeah, I went the other day and I tell you something, I was asking a few little questions. But if you notice on London Road, right at the doctor at the stoplight, the queue is long, sometimes go all the way down at 7:30 in the morning. The queue is long. Long. Gone all the way down. Go there and ask about 5%. What? Just go there and say to them, be nosy. What are the purpose of being here to this morning to the doctor? What you want to see the doctor for? Are you hear with them and say, oh man, I have this high, this are, you know what I mean? 95% will be high blood pressure. I'm telling you straight up. You know what I mean? Unless different circumstances. Yeah, man. But as I said, there is just what we eat. You know what I mean? It's how we eat, what we eat, and how we are looking after ourselves at home can only cause it. Don't get me wrong, you know, any one of us can have high blood pressure. Anybody. You know what I mean? Too much sweet stuff can have high blood pressure. Heavy weight can have high blood pressure. Stress can have high blood pressure. Lots of things can cause a high blood pressure. But you're going to have to still look after yourself. All right? Anyway, now if you like this, what I look after this evening, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button. And guys, I want to reach another 400,000 subscribers for 2024. That's my goal. And if I don't get it, we're not gonna be a response for that. All right? So make sure you subscribe and like up the video and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So if I don't get my 400,000 subscribers, I'm leaving it to you, my beautiful people. Uno should have make it happen, because Uno see I've been working very hard every day, looking for the videos for you guys, looking for good ideas and things.